Hello and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video, and in this video I want to show you how you can create a new table for rows that are having missing data in two columns. So earlier I have shown you the very straightforward one column. If it is having missing data, how you can extract that and create a new table. In this video I want to show you how you can pick up two columns, right? Because the things may get messed up, and I am also trying to figure out how you can actually do more than two as well. But for now I have a solution for two. As soon as I have a solution for three or more, I will show you that. Okay, so before I show you the solution, just a quick information. Two quick information. Number one, for similar type of challenges that I find in my work, I show you over here by creating this video, so I share it with the entire world. Similarly, if you have saved any of, or you have solved any of this type of a problem and want to share, then I run a monthly contest where you can share the problem and the solution with me, and I can show it to here on my community. And if the problem is interesting, you can even win USD $100 so that you can get rewarded to your efforts, right? And also share your knowledge with the world. Another thing is this Google Sheet is also present in the description along with the contest information. So contest information link is also present in the description, through which you can get to know more about it. Also, this Google Sheet link is present in the description. That way you can come over here, very easily look at all of my videos by scrolling up or down, or by simply searching like Control F, find whatever topic you want to find, and the link is present here. So this is to give you a good smooth experience. So with that two information about the contest and this link, let me go to the problem. So the problem is present over here. Earlier, if you see that I have shown you the country problem, like you have the missing data. Similarly, you can get a missing data like over here in product ID, also something like postal code. But right now I am covering only two columns. So if I need to capture all the rows that are having missing values in two columns, for example, over here, let's say I need to capture this row, right? I need to capture this row, right? I need to capture this row, and I need to capture this row, or any other row where you have the missing value in country or product. Then how would you do that, right? So let me go to the Power BI. So over here from the previous video, if you have seen, this is the solution for the missing data table. First of all, you need to click on new table. This will give you this blank table, and there you need to write missing ID data table, or whatever the table name you want to give. Use the filter condition, provide the sheet in which the missing data is present. In this case, sheet 2 is the table where the missing data is present, and using the function is blank product ID will give you the rows which are basically the missing data in the product ID column. But how would I take along with the product ID? I would take the country information. Where is my country? Order date, shipping, country, region, over here, right? So product ID and country, if it is having missing information, I want that. So to do that, what I will going to do is just modify this rather than creating a new table. So I will say or. In or, I can specify two conditions, as you can see very easily. So either it is this, right? And after that is blank is finished, and I will say comma, another is blank, and I will say country, right? That's about it. So our condition is done, filter is done, and if I click OK, this should give me the values where you have the missing data in the country region, but over here it is populated, but here you have the missing data product ID. So all these rows where either you have missing data in product ID column or country column is populated over here. So that is something I wanted to show you. If you have two columns that you need to pick for missing data, then how you can do that. I'm still looking for and trying to find a code to expand this problem a little bit more As soon as I find it, I will let you know. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so that when I post whenever a new solution or a new video, you can get notification. With that, thank you so much for watching.